To make a chair cover, the first step would be to measure your chair. So start it from the extreme bottom, from the floor, all the way to the top of the chair, and then come to the front, and then on the seat part, and then go back to the floor. Let me show you how I did it. So start it from the bottom like this, measure it all the way to the top. Then come to the front, measure this part, then measure the seat part, and then go to the floor. This is the widest part of the chair, so for the width of the chair, measure this part. So this would be a long strip of cloth. Then measure the side two pieces like this. This would be the width, and then measure the length from this point to the floor. So that would be the length of the two small pieces. This is how it looks. The long piece you would spread on top of the chair like this. So the most critical part in this chair cover is this point. So watch the action carefully. Grab the big piece of the cloth and pull it towards the front, and then pin it exactly at this point. And then pin all the way to the top of the chair on both sides. Now this is how it will look after pinning. So now it's time to attach the two small pieces. So take one of the small pieces and start it from that point, and then attach it to the side like this, and then start pinning it up from this point all the way to the front point. So this point you're supposed to attach it to the corner of the small piece. Make sure you make these corners very nicely. This is how the chair will look good. So this is how it looks after attaching the two small pieces. So I pinned up the whole chair cover. Now let me show you how I made this corner through the sewing part of this video. So watch that part carefully. Start stitching the cover from the topmost part, then do this corner and then go over the front corner till the end. So start sewing from the top of the chair, and when this part comes, watch the action carefully how I made this. So this is the front corner, and just simply turn straight towards the bottom part and finish it up. Now to stitch the side seam, start it from the bottom and end it up at this point. So now watch it carefully in action. So I started this seam after doing the other corner, the critical one, and I started this from the floor bottom, and this is how it's done. To make this corner, you need to first finish the side seam, then pin up this top and then stitch. So grab this corner and pin it up. So this is how it will look after stitching. And you are done. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos.